This video is for the first Knowledge Organiser on substitution. What I would like you to do is read the first page of your Knowledge Organiser, watch this video and use it to work through the examples, try the questions from the Knowledge Organiser and complete any Maths Watch work set. So, if we have a look at this, what we're going to look to do today is we're going to substitute in our numerical values into an expression. So if we have a look at this, it says A plus 2B add C, 2B and C are in brackets, all squared. When you're given the values of A equals 4, B equals 2, C equals 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap these letters for the numerical values here. So that's what happens when we substitute. Think of a football match when there's a substitution, one player goes off, somebody goes on to take their place. That's what's happening here. The letter's going off and the numerical value is going in place to take its place. So if we were to write this out, I'm just going to start off by writing out my expression, and then underneath I'm going to substitute in each value. So I've got 4 plus, now for 2b we write that as 2 times 2, because 2b means 2 times b. Okay, common misconception is some people would have wrote 22 at that point. That would be wrong. Okay, then we swap our c for 3 and we've got our squared. So what I would do from this point on, it's just BIDMAS. So what I'd do is I'd go do the multiplication here first, which would give me 4, add 3 squared. I'd then work out the brackets, which is 4 add 3 equals 7 squared, and then I square the 7 and add on my 4 and I get my final answer. Okay, so bear in mind your first mark for any substitution question is awarded at this point here for substituting your numerical values in for letters. Write it out like this. Notice I've done like a times there. Write it out like that. That will get you your first mark. Imagine I had 4a add 2b minus 3c and I was going to substitute these numbers into this. I would write that out as 4 times 4 add 2 times 2 minus 3 times 3. Okay, I'd write that out because that would get my first mark. I'd then go on and I'd work out each numerical value. Then I would work out my answer. And once you've worked out what that multiplication is, it's up to you how fast you do it. But you must write out that first line there. That always gets you a mark, and it's important that you get into the habit of that now. Use this video to help you complete the questions on page 2 of your Knowledge Organiser in any Maths Watch work set by your class teacher. Thank you.